Hello there once again Jankari TV. I hope you all having an amazing beautiful day and enjoy your life. Welcome to yet another episode Jankari TV. Today we'll be talk about the securities of entropy, Bitcoin and crypto asset in general. Will compare the secretary of entropy to gold, silver, Bitcoin, oil and domestic currencies like the United States dollar and the British panel. The additional two that will take a look at what bright financial minds, billionaires and experts have to say on the matter. In short, this video will talk about the store value and turn on your investment. Before we dive into this video, I would like to point out that information provided in this episode of the Jankari Jankari TV show as found online for numerous websites within several different video and articles. So let's begin first. We'll cover gold, then silver in Bitcoin, and then oil and fiat currency in accordance with the latest data I could find online. It currently costs $1,000 to mine a ounce of gold. So surprised if gold is currently one $700 minutes are profitable and make a clean profit. $700, that said, that is bad for environment, wastes energy and is further costly than again beside then the biggest store value in the world second only to real estate. Gold in used it electronic, medical and cuisines, not to mention fashion and jewelry. It can also be used appearance I will as it has been used in the past. In the last 10 years the price of gold has appreciated from $1,080 to $1,700. That is an increase of roughly 59%. So if you have invested $10,000 and gold could 10 years ago, you would currently have $15,900 in your pocket. Not great, but it's still a great return and definitely a good store value. Gold does not really have a hard cap, as people can just keep location new minutes for the next several countries. The means the amount of gold in circulation will increase. Let's move on to silver and the present date and cost $13 to mine a once of soul case of me. If I working in 2020, the price of silver is $15.67, which means miner make a clean proper profit of 20%. Once again, it is wasteful terms of energy and bad of environment. That said, besides being a store of value like a caution, gold that is used in electronic, battery, dental, house, mirrors and fashion and jewelry. Celebriba can also be used a currency. Many nations have done so in the past of several countries, and the last 10 years of prince of silver has not appreciated, and there am an effect found by 18 from $19.50 to the current price of $15.60. So if you have invested 100,000, so $10,000 in silver 10 years ago, you would currently be at the loss. Can have $8,200 in your pocket house with gold. Silver does not have a hard cap and can be mined of many centuries ahead, thus increasing the amount of silver in circulation. Not let take a look at Bitcoin just before third Bitcoin having costly roughly $6,000 to mine a single Bitcoin. So miners were profiting approximately $3,000 or more. However, according to serial period reports online, it now costs about $12,055 $500 $12,500 to means a little Bitcoin mining miners are losing money since the price of presented 9,500. It has been incredibly wasteful to time Bitcoin when it come to energy consumption and is bad for the environment. However, can be used as a banking system, a currency and a store of value. It does not have any other use case. In the latest in the last 10 years, the price of Bitcoin has appreciated a great deal and is the best performing asset of all time when it's come to gain and return on investment. In the last 10 years, Bitcoin price has increased from $0.005 $969620 which is a 1900 million% increase. If yet this invested 10,000 in Bitcoin 10 years ago, we currently have $19 billion. That's billion with the p not millionaire more than them. Bitcoin has a hard cap of 21 million units, and therefore the amount the Bitcoin will never exceed that many. It's faster than gold a great deal. Now let's look at crude oil. First of all, there are different oil market will concentrate on WTI. The American crude oil will not consider future and ETFs. When all that currently the price of WTI oil went from $25 to negative 54. It's happened just recently. That's exactly have we look at it in an tangible for if you had a strong facilities. The largest US oil product, ExxonMobil Corp, turns a profit at $27 per barrel on this New Mexico properties, which are about a quarter of its per main holding. What would WJ Orange oil trading at $25 per barrel? Oil minerals have to cut cost as they are currently losing on it is very wasteful to my oil and trouble for an environment, especially when huge oil spills happen, destroying in the natural habitat that said well is the base of lost products such as gasoline, diesel, and jet fuel. This also included fuel oil used for heating and electricity generation, among other products. In the last 10 years, the price of WTI crude oil has fallen from $75 per barrel to $25. This is the 66% decline, meaning if he had invested $10,000 10 years ago, we could currently be in a loss with their $3,400 in your pocket. Crude oil can be mined of many countries ahead, meaning it doing not have a hard cap and therefore its amount increase and scarcity decrease. This take us to the United States dollar and the British pound. In short, they are both fiat currency, and the definition of a fiat currency is that has no interesting value as it is not backed by anything but our belief in the currency and the government of. For your information, it costs 7.7 cents per note to produce 1 and $2 banknotes, 15.5 cents per note for $5, 15.9 cents for $10, 16 cents for $20, 16 cents for $50 and nearly V-cent per note to produce a $100 bill. It was wasteful because large amounts of paper and therefore three are required to print banknotes and large amount of metal is required to mint coins. The only use case is means of exchange for the service rendered, or it could be for purchase as a store of value. The worst store value imaginable is via the British pound, which is the most long-lasting successful currency in the world, has lost 99% of its value by United States dollar has lost the 96% of its value since 1913. With every passing year the United States dollar was just percent of his purchasing power, which means if he had purchased $10,000 10 years ago, it would have lost the 20% of its value, meaning of would have to add another $2,000 to that sum to be able to buy the same things today that you could have purchased 10 years ago. Neither the British pound nor the US dollar have a hard cap, which is they can be, which is why they can be printed non-stop. This means the scarcity of the dollar decreases the amount of units increased. The United States government recently printed trillions of dollars to bail out the economy and plans to print trillion more. This further devalue the currency. Now let's look at the number of each banknote is circulation. When it's come to the US dollar, there are currently 11.7 billion $1 bills, 1.2 billion, 2 billion, 2.8 billion, and 5 billion, 19 billion, 10 billion dollar, 8.9 billion, 20 billion 20 bills, 17 billion, 50 billion dollar, and 11.5 million $100 billions. There are roughly 40 billion dollar banknotes in circulation and 28 billion coins. Their combined worth is roughly $1.5 trillion. The Fed and people responsible for printing war dollars like to use fancy terms so that people do not really understand what they talking about. Let's look at them quantitative easing, meaning printing money, expanding bonds, sheet printing money, monetary at financing, writing, inflation, targeting, printing money, and of course for not easy, which one again means printing money. Low Canadian billionaire Frank Guesta has set a theme in the tribute with Kidco News that the Fed in trouble with Kidco News that the Fed reservation quantitative easing and the European Central Bank quantitative easing will devalue fiat currency and the Kazakh currency war. Please note he was right above zero interest rating being introduced and in initiant quantitative easing, and he has been right about the price of gold rising for the past 20 years. He how predict that all these events that are taking place right now will result in the reset of the global monetary system and that the price of gold will appreciate a great deal. So he says that currency devaluation and wars will reset the global monetary system and make the price of gold jump a great deal. And other billionaire Tim Draper says he's out of the stock market and has gone all in one Bitcoin and crypto. Mike, no, just Bitcoin but crypto in general. Yet another billionaire panel joins has invested 1 to 2% of his entire net worth in Bitcoin. In Bitcoin has hedged against traditional market, mentioning he sees it as a store of value. Best-selling financial writer Robert has gone on to tweets things like this: gold and silver are gold and goods money. Bitcoin is open source people's money. Bitcoin and silver are important because they are not controlled by the Fed Reserve, Treasury or Wall Street. My dad, of course, the same goes of XRP. I generally believe that then people like Jankari say Bitcoin, they are referring to good projects in crypto. Unfortunately, many people see crypto Bitcoin. Let's go on you now. He goes out of say even if you are unemployed. Real silver, it's still available at $25 for us. Silver illegal, everyone can export $25. It goes on to tweet, why do people become poor? One reason is definition of money. Real money is 8 units of account, we medium of exchange, and C store. About the fake money like the US dollar does not store value on gold, silver in Bitcoin. Silver and Bitcoin said which 8 store value be our units of account and C exchangeable. Their serves are fake money like the dollar are loser. If there one thing we can glean from today's video is that there are many intelligent individuals who believe that owning gold, solar, but corner digital asset is better than holding your wealth in the fiat currency. The choice is up to you, dear friends. Either way, I hope you enjoyed this video. If it did, please kind of subscribe your channel, leave a comment down below. Glad to know that you are thinking, put it like, hit that little bell to turn on notification to know when I am going live, or these are now videos. I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for your time. I appreciate you all. Stay tuned. Bye and bye bye.